Should you buy the Jabra Elite 7 Active? There is more information available in the Jabra Elite 7 Pro review if you are interested in finding out more information about the audio and ANC quality, battery life, connectivity and other factors. This review will focus on the key differences between the Elite 7 Active and its Pro counterpart, namely a rubberized coating on the buds, the absence of bone conduction sensors, a new selection of color options, and the lower price. The Elite 7 Active features a solid 30 hours of battery life, 8 hours in the buds and another 22 in the case. It can also be charged wirelessly via Qi-compatible devices. Audio and ANC quality are also identical, which means you will get decent but not outstanding performance on both fronts. Sound quality is heavily scooped and lacks a sense of space, however the bass and treble prominence can be corrected using the apps EQ. Although the Active earbud shares the same compact and comfortable design as the Pro variant, it features a rubberized coating that enhances earbud retention during exercise or other sweaty activities. Both Jabra's Elite 7 models are excellent value earbuds offering a wealth of higher-end features, but you should consider the Active if you will be exercising vigorously or the Pro if call quality is your primary concern. It costs $179, £169, $279 and comes in black, navy or a striking mint color option. The main advantage of the Elite 7 Active over its Pro counterpart, apart from its lower price, is the rubberized interior coating that can be found on each earbud. We notice little difference between the two models when worn casually. The Active feels more sticky, but no doubt they're more secure during vigorous head movements, especially in humid climates. According to Jabra, its shake grip coating eliminates the need for wings that are common in sports earbuds, and while we can see this being true, it will very much depend upon how snugly these buds conceal in your ear. With respect to durability, the Elite 7 Active shares the Pro's IP57 waterproofing and feels as well built, so we have no doubt that it is robust. A squat pill-like charging case is also identical to the Pro's, although it does not share the waterproofing of the buds. As expected, navy and black are unremarkable and understated colors, but we are intrigued by the light blue-green hue of the mint variant. It takes only a light touch to actuate the buttons, reducing pressure in the ear canal, and the buttons are less likely to be accidentally activated than capacitive touch controls. The companion My Sound Plus app from Jabra offers an excellent degree of control over these buttons, as well as a number of handy features including the ability to mute media when transparency mode is activated. As a result, the bass and treble are boosted out of the box, and the midrange is muddled. However, using the app's equalizer and creating a My Sound profile can greatly improve this situation. The noise cancelling is comparable with most modern competitors, but not with heavyweights such as Sony and Bose. Although the quality of voice calls is less than in the Elite 7 Pro as it lacks Jabra's bone conduction sensor, it is still satisfactory for true wireless in-ear headphones. With ANC enabled, you will get 8 hours of usage out of the earbuds themselves and a further 22 hours of use from the case. It can be charged wirelessly via a Qi-compatible device, and it also offers fast charging via Usbc, which can power an hour's worth of playback in less than 5 minutes. Despite having Bluetooth 5.2, the Elite 7 Active does not support high-res codecs such as APJ.